It is human digestive system which digest the food materials, means the complex food convert into simple food by the enzymes known as digestion. It is human respiratory system, contains lungs. Lungs participate in exchange of the gases, means take oxygen, leave out carbon dioxide. And it is human circulatory system, contains heart, blood vessels, blood. The blood transport oxygen, digested food and hormones to the each and every part of the body. It is human excretory system, contains kidneys. The kidneys filter the blood and excrete waste materials through the urine. It is human nervous system, contains brain, spinal cord, nerves. The brain control and coordinate the all the parts in the body. It is human skeletal system. In our body 206 bones are present in our body. They are provided to the certain shape to the body and provide strength to the body. And also it is a muscular system, 650 muscles in our body. They are responsible for the movement of the body parts.